Can you tell me in 5 seconds why your product listing is better than all the competitors? If yes, then great, keep on improving. If not, then we still have a lot of research to be done. This is an 8-part video series covering how to build a competitive advantage on Amazon using our document called Perfect Product Blueprint. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get all 8 videos.
And let's start gathering issues and improvement ideas. What you need to do now is you go to the Amazon and type in the main keyword and look close competitors of your product. If you also have a lot of reviews, you can also read your own reviews. And what we need to do is we need to read close competitors' reviews or our own reviews and 1, 2, or 3 or 4 star reviews. You can get a lot of issues from 1 and 2 star reviews, and you can get improvement ideas usually from the 3 and 4 star reviews. And all this is pure gold, pure gold. And what we need to do is we need to list these 30 to 50 informative sentences. You don't need to list a whole review here. I recommend to use a digital version of the workbook, so you can just copy paste things to the spreadsheet, and that's it. And like I said, remember, informative sentences are issues and improvement ideas. And try to get at least 50. You know, I listed 30 to 50, but try to get at least 50. I can't imagine like how much you will learn about your product. You will be already doing that. You will be like, holy moly, you know, so many opportunities, right? Because imagine if you can now remove all these issues, right? And come up with a product that has no issues and all these improvement ideas are also implemented. Oh boy, you will have crazy good product on the market. So anyway, list 30 to 50 informative sentences, and let's go to the second task for the day. After you have listed all these issues and improvement ideas, we need to categorize these issues. And by categorization of these issues, it's easier for us to use these issues and speak to supplier about these issues. Now, what we need to do is when we categorize the issues, first category is quality issues. So what do you think? Like, what kind of quality issues we could, with this product, your product or product idea has, which we could improve and fix with our next order, for example. Secondly, usability issues. People are complaining how to use your product, or like maybe you have that, maybe not, right? If there is some usability issues, list them here. Third one, instructional issues. A lot of products have instructions, and if you have instructional issues, what type of instructional issues do you exactly have? Again, you know, list everything here. If you don't have any instructional issues, leave it empty. Other issues, material safety, other safety issues, certification requirements, batteries, anything that people complain about, people speak about, whatever issues they are having, list them here, okay? And lastly, what type of improvement ideas people recommend to add to your product in order to make it better. What are these additional products or elements, small elements or little features you can add to your product to make it superior to others? Your customers, you can find those, like I said, from the 3-star and 4-star reviews where people are kind of like happy with the product, but you know what, if it had this little thing there, it would be even better, right? And this is pure gold, guys, pure gold. So list those improvement ideas here, and now you have a clarity on all the problems and all the issues and all the improvement ideas you could fix or add to your product in order to come up with a better and better new version on the market. And that's it. Imagine how powerful already this particular day's task is. You know, many times some Amazon sellers have came to me and asked me like, hey, can you check my listing? I want to know how can I improve it, right? And then I ask, like, before even checking their listing, I'm asking them like, hey, can you give me in 10 seconds why someone should buy your product instead of competitors' products? And they were like, oh, what? And I'm like, come on, if you don't know why someone should buy your product instead of competitors' product, like, what do you expect? You know, these guys there have already established positions. They have reviews. There's a lot of guys in front of you, right? I mean, if you don't know why your product is better than competitors, then like, wow, whoa, what are you expecting? Are you expecting making money on Amazon? You know, products evolve, right? And if we are able to do the market research as we did today, then it's so easy to actually create a better product on the market. And not just create better product on the market, actually raise your profitability and a little bit selling price as well, because this is the way you are adding more value to the market. And you know, that's what customers want, right? They want to have a better product, new version, right? And again, like, if you don't know why your product is better than others, then what are you expecting, right? And this is what you want to play on. You want to play on not what you think is best, but what customer is going to tell you what is best for them. And this is, you know, eliminates this thinking, okay, oh, I want to sell this product, I don't really know what to do with this, I don't know how to take my product to the next level. But you don't need to know. You just do the market research, you read bad reviews, and people will tell you what you need to do. I mean, it's so beautiful. it's so cool, you know. It's just so cool, you know. And you don't even need to think. You just need to do the research, right? And then sit down and like think about it, right? And yeah, I mean, like, this is just this was a big eye opener for me when we started doing this. And again, if you have a better, superior product on the market, you should also say that to the customers on your listing, right? And again, like, super simple exercise. I hope you liked it. You know, I hope you understood why it's really cool and why it's actually really beneficial to do this little task before you send any money to supplier, because you don't want to release the same, you know, crap that other people are selling. You want to release something better, right?
Hit a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to get other parts of this 8-part video series on how to build a competitive advantage on Amazon using our document called the Perfect Product Blueprint. Make sure to join our free Facebook group where we have tons of different resources regarding selling on Amazon. And when you join, make sure to tag me personally so we can actually have a quick call to take a look at your business and if we are able to work together. See you there.